I'm going to unpack 6 building blocks you need if you want to ship real agents into production, not a fancy chatbots. Let's understand and start with MCP, Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Think of MCP as a USB-C cable where it's help you to charge your phone. Similarly, it's going to help the AI agents to connect, plug in to APIs, databases, or any SaaS tools, whatever it is, it's gonna go and it started getting this easy integration in a single time. So MCP is powerful in terms of like when you are gonna build an agent and how good you put an MCP with the help of the agent and a security standard, what policies you define is a major things when it goes to the production. Next one, skills. Skills are verbs of agents. Call an API, hit a vector DB, write a notion, trigger a email workflow, send an email. If agent doesn't have the skills, it's not an agent, right? So it's something like if your agent couldn't able to talk, doesn't have the memory to how to talk with rest of the databases, then your agent is called as a dumb chatbot where it's keep on giving you the same answer. Then we have architecture, single agent setup. One agent owns entire pipeline. It can do the data retrieval, analysis, drafting your email or workflow, triggering them, and gets the final output. It means one person can do everything into a sequel way of like handling the things one and after stuff. So it's going to be more a sequel way of like to understand and get retrieve data. And we have the second one is multi-agent setup. You spin up a specialist, a planner, a researcher, an executor, and let them argue, let them collaborate, let them try to give you the best answers, just like a small AI team that help you to get a perfect answer and summarize to you. It's gonna goes to a deeper analysis and interacted with the multiple MCP tools and give you the final answer that can help you to take the decision. We have Agentic RAG. Instead of one boring retrieve and response setup, Agentic RAG can help the system to get a multiple queries across the different sources and validate them, iterate them, and get you the full trusted one. So what gonna happen when you don't have Agentic RAG? So LMCU gives you a lot of junk data, and if you have certain knowledge access where your company will have certain guidelines needs to be do, or it has to retrieve the few of the historical data, an agent is gonna do it in a smarter way. So when you have a building a multi-agent, keep have to have the agentic RAG that can help you to integrate, plan, and it has its long-term and short-term memory. With the memory is a core concept here. So the step one, the agent will take the multiple queries, combine to you, and give you a solid answer to you. And finally, the memory. Shorter memory keeps the full context of current task, so your agent doesn't lose the plot in mid-run. What gonna happen if agent doesn't have short-term or long-term ones? It might give you a hallucinated answer. And every agent should have the persistent memory layer, and with the help of the graph, persistent memory can help you to your agent to understand, analyze that, and give you the proper ones. But long-term memory lets agents to remember who's the user, what project, how the decisions are taken, and failures across the session. They can start debugging, they can analyze what has been built, what is the policies, how the security stuff has been implemented, and what are the bugs it needs to it's already identified. So it's good. Every time it's get better, the way the agents gonna train themselves with the long-term context memory that help agent to give you a unified and skill coordination. So the memory is gonna help uh, your entire agentic architecture how good